Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Vanguard account, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Vanguard account, start by visiting the Vanguard website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the option labeled Account Services. Click on Close Your Account. Read through the information provided about closing your account. Make sure to review any outstanding balances or investments. Select the account you wish to close. Follow the prompts to ensure you understand the consequences of closing your account. Choose if you want to transfer your investments elsewhere or liquidate them. If you decide to transfer, provide the necessary information for the new financial institution. Confirm your withdrawal instructions if you're liquidating assets. Review your selections to ensure everything is correct. Once you've double-checked, submit your request to close the account. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your account closure. Keep this email for your records. Allow a few days for the closure process to be completed. If you have any questions during the process, contact Vanguard customer support. Make sure to follow any additional steps they may require for your specific situation. That's it, your Vanguard account will be closed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.